Hey guys, how is it going? So in this video we are going to fill this thing out right here with markers, obviously. And if you're new to the channel, I'm the Sketch Monkey and we sketch stuff here. And if you see what you like, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And if you really hate the video, then please hit the dislike button. Both are equally important. So I'm gonna start by adding some. I just went straight into this without even thinking. I just added some. Picked up Cool Gray 8 for this thing down here, and gonna fill out. I want this to be like a rubberized surface or similar to that. And as you know, rubberized surface means it's usually some darker shade. And I'm gonna stick with the greens here. Just add some. Oh, this is super dry. Super dry. Hopefully this one is better. Yes, it is. I'm just gonna freestyle this video, not really think too much about what I'm doing. Except for, I do have the general shape in mind of this thing that I'm sketching. Not sure what it is. Can be whatever you want it to be. I just wanted to practice some marker sketching on toned paper, which is the whole point of this video. Now this will be I think, I'm gonna try, but this will probably be, after this video is gonna be a bit of a break, and I just want you to know that, so you don't wondering what's going on when I haven't uploaded any new videos. I have family coming over from Sweden, so I'm gonna chill with them, and also we are going away to Orlando for a bit after that. But I think it's gonna be maybe a break of a couple of days, or 4 days, something like that. So not too long. Just a heads up. Let's see what we want to do this shade right there. I think I'm gonna do that black or gray as well. So I'm gonna do a cool gray. Love cool grays. I'm just gonna go all the way around like this, and we can define it later with a white pencil if we want to go lighter, if we want to go darker. This is only a Cool Gray 6, so that's not a problem either. Look at that. Then this, I really don't know what it is. I think I'm gonna make that red just because I have some red markers here. So let's see. What is that? It's like orange. Body works for this purpose. There it is. Let's make this shiny. So I'm gonna keep a spot like that, just not touch it at all. Alright, so that was the first layer of each surface. So what we want to do now, obviously, is to find the darker grays. Let's add some blue gray to this. Got some reflections in there. Even though it's a matte surface, it's still probably gonna have some reflections, right? Or some shading at least. Let's see if this is still alive. Kinda is. Cool. this thing as well. Just to add some variation to this. Also, I want to have it up here as well. I'm gonna go back to the Cool Gray 6 and blend this top part like that. Something like that. As usual, just figuring out where the light source is and trying to define the shape that I have in my mind with this thing. That's a bit, I think, too saturated green. It's not really what I wanted, but I guess we can work with it. It's not too bad. Probably gonna do a shade in between these and try to blend them. So let's see what we got. What is this? It's still too dark. Just gonna go back to this one and try to blend. See what we can do, even though it's a bit dry, but it's still alright. I'm trying to find one that's in between these. I think this should be. Yeah, I think that works. Why not? Cats are going crazy as always. This though, I need to find a darker. This is green gray. I don't know what that's gonna do. I can't find my cool grays. So I'm just gonna use blue gray or whatever greens I have here. Sure, why not? I gotta work a little bit more on the red part in the front. Well, that seems to be the right shade. Look at that, perfect. So this is all about testing. I don't care if it's the wrong shade. You know, maybe it's orange when I wanted red or something like that. It doesn't matter. You can always go back and fix it if you have to, or you can just leave it as it is. It's not a big deal. Not a big deal. Let's see if this is too. Maybe. Oh sheesh! I remember this marker was a bit messed up in the tip for some reason. There we go. I don't know what it is, but the rendering is there. We gotta add some final touches to this, which is these black outlines. just to define it a little bit. Don't know. I don't know about this. Let's go down here. I really like this shape, so I wanted to render it. And I want to hear your comments on what you think it is. Because myself, I have no idea. There we go, added some definition to this thing. And final step would be, which is the most fun step in my opinion, is to add the white ink highlight, especially on this kind of paper. So let's do that. Where is it? So these you want to have where you have the highlights already. So same thing here, just keep the light source in mind, and you should be able to figure out where to put these. And we can and we can do this as well. Add it on top here, I guess. Something like that. And I think we're done. I think we got our daily render done. And as I said, no idea what it is. That's up to you to decide. One more thing is I don't like this ellipse here, so I'm gonna just go in with a big pen and try to fix it by just adding some more definition to it. So it feels more round like this. And just adding some, the marker might make the original lines blurry, so if you want to do that, you can always go back with a big pen and clean things up, make it sharp again, like that. There we go. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. My name is The Sketch Monkey, and I will see you next time. Take it easy, guys.